In today's video, I am going to teach you how to implement Clickup for agencies. When you implement Clickup in an agency, the goal is a clean, repeatable system that makes delivery consistent and time tracking simple. A common approach is one workspace for the whole agency, with separate spaces for client delivery, growth, operations, and a process library. Inside those spaces, you can use folders for each client or department and lists for projects or retainers. Consistent naming also helps, such as using a client name followed by the project type so anyone can find work fast. For this walkthrough, we are focusing on one practical part of an agency setup, using a ready-made timesheet system from templates, then navigating the key views your team will use day to day. Start by going to the Overview area in your Clickup workspace. This is your starting point for browsing tools and resources tied to your setup. From here, select Templates. Templates help you standardize work so reporting and tracking stay consistent across the agency. In the Templates area, find and open the template called Agency Timesheet Entries. This template is designed to capture time entries in a structured way, which is especially useful when multiple clients, projects, and team members are involved. Once you are on the template page, click Use Template, and then confirm by clicking Use Template again to apply it to your workspace. Take a moment to ensure it installs in the correct location for your team so everyone can access it easily. After the template is added, open the view called Timesheet Logs per Client. This view is where you can review time grouped by client, which supports billing and client reporting. From there, move into Weekly Timesheet to see time organized by week. This is helpful for payroll, weekly capacity checks, and spotting overages early. Next, open Daily Timesheet for a more detailed look at time log day by day. This view is great for team leads who want quick visibility into what was worked on today and whether anything is missing. Then open the Agency Timesheet Entry Form. Forms make time entries simpler and more consistent because they guide the person entering time to include the right details every time. Finally, switch to the Board view to see the same timesheet data in a visual workflow layout. When you are done, return to Timesheet Logs per Client so you can continue reviewing time by client in one place. That covers everything you need to know.